Many of you have been asking me this question: how do I subscribe to a YouTube channel? Today, I will take you through the process of subscribing to a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. I will also tell you why you need to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. I am on the home screen of my Tecno Spark 4 mobile phone, and I guess the process works pretty much the same for all mobile phones. So let me open up my Facebook page. For this exercise, I'll be using my wife's Facebook page. So you log into your Facebook page, and then you stroll through your page. Okay, so while strolling, and I come across this post, and this is a video from YouTube, a video that was shared from YouTube. So I want to watch this video and probably subscribe to the channel. So what I would do is to click onto this video, and it will take me to the YouTube platform. And because the autoplay is selected, as soon as you get on the YouTube page, the video will automatically begin to play. And on the page, you can see a red subscribe button. So in order to subscribe to this channel, you have to click on that subscribe button. And when you click on the subscribe button, you will see a message popping up. And that is because you are not logged in, you are not signed into your Google account. But if you were signed into your Google account, you will automatically subscribe to the channel. But because you are not logged into your Face or to your Google account, it means you will have to sign in. So you click on the sign in, which will take you to your Google sign in page, and you will enter your Google sign in information if you have one. But if you do not have your Gmail account, then it means you will have to create one. But for me, I already have one, so I will go right ahead and sign in. So you put in your Gmail account, and you tap next. So you put in your password. After putting in your password, then you click sign in. Then it will take you back to the YouTube page. Now you see that the subscribe button is grayed out, indicating that your subscription is complete. But if you tap on the button once again, an information will pop up saying unsubscribe. So if you go ahead and tap on the unsubscribe, you will automatically unsubscribe from that channel, which you wouldn't want to do because you want to remain subscribed to the channel. In some instances, when you click the subscribe button, you will see a notification bell popping up. So you click the notification bell and click all. By that, you will receive notification for all new contents that will be uploaded by that channel. That's pretty much how we can subscribe to any channel of our choice using our mobile phone, and the process is just the same when you are using your PC. But the question is, why is it necessary to subscribe? 1. In order to get notifications whenever new contents are uploaded by that channel. 2. To encourage the content creator that his or her contents are making impact, which will support him to do more and even better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment and a like, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Jay Akudaba. See you in the next video.